Hey, what's going on, guys? This is going to be a really quick video on how to remove the G1 Honda Insight taillights. I'm doing this because I have a bunch of leaks in my hatch area and I want to gain access to all this and clean this out. But I already wet vacuumed the carpet, got it all clean, so when I spray this out, I don't want it to risk getting in here. So what you're going to do is there's going to be these two clips that go in just like this. And as you can see, there's a little indent on the bottom, which you can slide a flathead in, and just like that, pop them out, and you'll see a Phillips head screw under there. What you're gonna need to do is there's gonna be one more bolt right down there, and this uses a longer Phillips head. I've actually never seen a bolt like that before, but that will be right there. You're just gonna unscrew that and then disconnect this harness right here, which of course is the harness for the lights. And you're gonna have to most likely cut this piece off because this is not gonna come away from the frame, and it's not gonna, there's no way to disconnect it on this side as they're all wired directly in. I'm not too sure how I did it, but I was able to remove this clip without cutting this. It's supposed to slide on. There's a little locking clip right there. That's a little nub. So I kind of just yanked it, pulling it that way, and it popped right off. But now I'm going to feed this through there and pull the whole tail light out. And I will also be removing this piece to rinse out all this gunk. From there, what you're going to want to do is, once you have the wiring harness disconnected, there's going to be a little rubber kind of grommet right there. You're just going to push it out of this side, and then you'll be free to release the taillight. So of course, to reinstall the taillights, all you do is just follow that in reverse. What you're seeing on screen right now is pretty much just a photo dump of some pictures I took. Since I already had the taillights out, I figured why not just clean up the rear hatch area. So I pulled off the rear rubber molding. You'll see that at the end of the video, and cleaned that. I haven't removed the 3M adhesive tape in these pictures yet, but I will be replacing that. And I'm also going to have a video on how to remove the rear roof molding. I'm going to be doing that because I'm having some leaks in my headliner and my rear hatch area, which is one of the reasons I went ahead and did this removal. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, and I appreciate y'all for watching. And thanks for the support. Additionally, since my videos aren't monetized yet, if you would like to support my channel, I'll have my Cash App and Venmo in the description.